Po, Dr. Eduardo Tagyam, to our esteemed guests, faculty and staff, parents, my fellow completers, and everyone here witnessing this significant day, a pleasant and blissful afternoon to all. It is an honor standing before you today as we celebrate the fruits of our labor that makes a significant milestone in our lives. We're one's end, but the beginning of another. Having to talk here in front of everyone was unimaginable to me in the past. I never expected to attain this position because I knew that I was never a naturally gifted kid. I got the hint back then when I reckoned I have always been the person who always says, "Congratulations," but is never congratulated. I always see them excel in the things that they love and attain surpassing grades. And there I was, sitting at the back of the classroom, waiting for the dismissal. I always find myself in the rear of every room that I'm in because this is the only place I know I am comfortable. I was too shy to recite in front of the class, too afraid to express my thoughts, and too hesitant to show my strengths. Therefore, the award I always get is Mashukoy, most well-behaved. Naniniwala ba kayong most well-behaved ako? And it becomes so incessant, or should I say, repeated action, that I always expect to get one at the end of every school year. This award was engraved in my mind as only an act of sympathy rather than genuine recognition. As the years pass, I wonder how it is to be in their position and do those things easily. But God, it was never easy. When high school started, I began changing the way I lived and started stepping out of my comfort zone. I started speaking and participating in every activity in our class. I joined competitions to exhibit my capabilities and represent our school. What happened in the past served as the building blocks that built the person I am now. This achievement may not be possible with the help and guidance of some of the most important people in my life. To God, who gave me strength and wisdom to have a clear path to attain this academic success. To my family, I can think of enough words to convey my utmost appreciation. Sa aking ama, maraming salamat sa laging pagpapaalala sa akin na lagi kong gawin ang mga bagay na gusto ko. At dinidisiplina ako na laging kumilos na may mabuting buti. Sa aking ina, na lagi kong tinatakbuhan sa tuwing kailangan ko ng payo sa buhay at kasama ko sa tuwing ako ay nalulungkot. Sa aking kapatid na babae, si Miel, na lagi nagbibigay sa akin ng pinakamainit na yakap sa tuwing ako ay uuwi at hindi nagkukulang sa paghahatid ng saya sa aming tahanan. I also would like to dedicate this success to the woman who become an instrument for me to strive more in life and receive this award. I am in debt to her for all the sacrifices that she has made for me. This is for you, Lola. To our faculty and staff, headed by our dear principal, Dr. Eduardo Tagyam, thank you for your unwavering support and dedication to your work. My beloved organizations, especially the NDEP and BKD Club, that shaped my leadership and gave me remarkable experiences, thank you so much. To all my friends who made my high school life bearable and memorable, thank you and see you around. Our journey in this school were a great experience. We learned many things in every one of our subjects. We explored our interests and passion in every opportunity our school had given us. We made friendships despite our differences, and we gained life lessons that will be helpful in the near future. Now, we will go our separate ways, However, we will carry a piece of each other wherever we go. As we go through beyond these four walls, may we carry all the learnings and memories that we shared along the way. Some other time you will encounter doubting yourself too, but do not fear. Just like what Max Ehrmann said in Desiderata, beyond a wholesome discipline, be gentle with yourself. You are a child of the universe. No less than the trees and the stars, you have a right to be here. To my fellow completers, let our stormy nights be the cause of our success, not our failure. Congratulations and have a great day.